Hello students, in the video population stabilization and birth control இருந்து கேட்டிருக்க NEET previous year questions பார்க்க போறோம். So the first question is match list 1 with list 2 relating to examples of various kind of IUDs, that is intrauterine devices and barrier. So copper releasing IUD ஓட example Multiload 375, non-medicated IUD lips loop, contraceptive barrier walls, and hormone releasing IUD LNG20 or progestasert. So option D is the correct answer. A2, B4, C1, D3. Then the second question is the same IUDs with their examples, and only thing that differs is implants. Implants ka progestogens. So progestogens or estrogen progestogen combination under the skin implants are kudupanga. So D2, and non-medicated IUD lips loop, copper releasing IUD Multiload 375, hormone releasing IUD LNG20. Option D is the correct answer. Then which of the following is not a natural or traditional contraceptive method? So given options la pathina coitus, interruptus, periodic abstinence, lactational, amenorrhea, idellame it's a natural and traditional method of contraceptive methods, whereas walls kuduthirukadhu vandu it's a barrier contraceptive method. So option D is not a traditional contraceptive method. Option D is the correct answer. Then match list 1 with list 2. Again paranga the IUDs and their example is most repetitive question. It's very important. Non-medicative IUDs lips loop, copper releasing IUD Multiload 375, hormone releasing IUD LNG20, walls it's a rubber barrier. So option C, A3, B1, C4, D2 is the correct answer. Then again match list 1 with list 2. Vasectomy, it's a surgical method. Okay. Coitus interruptus, it's a natural method. And cervical caps, it's a barrier method. And Saheli, it's a oral contraceptive, oral method. So option D is the correct answer. Then lips loop is a type of contraceptive used as non-medicated IUDs. Then match list 1 with list 2 with respect to a method of contraception and their respective actions. So diaphragms, it's a female barrier contraceptive. Okay. So they cover the cervix, blocking the entry of sperms. A4. Then contraceptive pills inhibit ovulation and implantation. B1. Intrauterine devices increase phagocytosis of sperm within uterus. C2. Lactational amenorrhea, absence of menstrual cycle and ovulation following parturition. So D3. So option B, A4, B1, C2, D3 is the correct answer. Then match list 1 with list 2. Walls, entry of sperm through cervix is blocked. It's a barrier. Okay. Female contraceptive barrier. Then IUDs, phagocytosis of sperms within the uterus. Then vasectomy, removal of vas deferens. Tubectomy, removal of fallopian tube. Okay, small portion of the fallopian tube is removed or tied, whereas vasectomy, small portion of the vas deferens is removed or tied. Okay, so option C, P1, Q3, R2, S4 is the correct answer. Then which one of the following is an example of hormone releasing IUD? LNG20 or progestasert is an example of hormone releasing IUD. Option C is the correct answer. Then which of the following contraceptive methods involve a role of hormone? So in the கொடுத்திருக்க optionsல பாத்தீங்கன்னா the barrier methodல there is no role of hormones. அதே மாதிரி IUDs, copper T-லையும் there is no role of hormone. Whereas option B, lactational amenorrhea பாத்தீங்கன்னா so after parturition, continuous of breastfeeding பண்ற மதருக்கு வந்து 6 months there will be the absence of menstrual cycle and ovulation. So there is an involvement of hormones in lactational amenorrhea. And pills and emergency contraceptives பாத்தீங்கன்னா mostly progestogens and progestogen estrogen combinations தான் கொடுப்பாங்க. So option B, lactational amenorrhea pills, emergency contraceptives involve a role of hormone in their contraceptive method. Okay, so option B is the correct answer. Then select the hormone releasing intrauterine devices. So hormone releasing IUDs example progestasert, LNG20. Option D. Which of the following is a correct statement? So given options le pathina, option C, IUDs increase phagocytosis of sperms in the uterus is the correct option. Option C. Then the contraceptive Saheli. So Saheli is a non-steroidal preparation. இதோட மெக்கானிசம் ஆஃப் ஆக்ஷன் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா அது ஈஸ்ட்ரஜன் யூட்ரஸ்ல இருக்க ஈஸ்ட்ரஜன் ரிசப்டார்ஸை பிளாக் பண்ணிரும். thereby it will alter the uterine lining. அதனால fertilized egg போய் implant ஆக முடியாது. So the option A blocks estrogen receptors in the uterus, preventing eggs from getting implanted. Option A is the correct answer. Then the function of copper ions in copper releasing IUD is the sperm motility, fertilizing capacity of sperms suppress பண்ணும். Okay, copper ions. So option D, they suppress sperm motility and fertilizing capacity of sperm is the correct answer. Okay, this is the function of copper ions in copper releasing IUDs. Then which of the following is hormone releasing IUD? This is the most repetitive question. LNG 20 or progestasert, which is very important. Okay, so which of the following is incorrect regarding vasectomy? So the கொடுத்திருக்க option பாத்தீங்கன்னா no sperm occurs in seminal fluid. Correct. So vasectomy is small portion of the vas difference is removed or tied as shown in this picture. So இதை remove பண்ணிட்டதுனால, so இதை cut பண்ணி tie பண்ணிட்டதுனால sperms வந்து இந்த seminal vesicle secrete பண்ற seminal fluidல இருக்காது. Okay, so no sperm in the seminal fluid, this is correct. And vasa differentia is cut and tied. Correct. Irreversible sterility, this is also correct. One surgical method vasectomy panita, there will be a poor irreversibility. Okay, so option B pathina, no sperm occurs in epididymis. This statement is wrong because spermatogenesis, so in the vas difference தான் cut பண்ணி type பண்றாங்களே தவிர மற்றது எல்லாமே மற்ற மெக்கானிசம் எல்லாமே நார்மலா நடக்கும். ஸ்பெர்மட்டோஜெனிசிஸ் நடக்கும், ஸ்பெர்ம்ஸ் வந்து டிரான்ஸ்போர்ட் ஆகும். வேற இது கட் பண்ணி இருக்கிறதுனால இதுக்கு மேல இதால டிரான்ஸ்போர்ட் ஆக முடியாது. தட் இஸ் தி ஒன்லி திங். ஓகே, ஸோ நோ ஸ்பெர்ம் அக்கர்ஸ் இன் எபிடைடமிஸ்ன்றது இட்ஸ் அ incorrect statement regarding vasectomy. Option B. Which of the following approaches does not give the defined action of contraceptive? So இந்த கொடுத்திருக்க ஆப்ஷன்ஸ்ல பாத்தீங்கன்னா vasectomy prevents spermatogenesis அப்படின்றது இட்ஸ் அ incorrect statement because spermatogenesis நடக்கும், எல்லாமே நார்மலா தான் நடக்கும். only thing is the sperm is not transported to the ejaculatory duct. That's the only thing will happen. Okay, so vasectomy prevents spermatogenesis ன்றது it's the incorrect statement. Okay, option B. Tubectomy is a method of sterilization in which, so tubectomy la small part of the fallopian tube remove பண்ணி, so the remove பண்ணுவாங்க இல்ல tie பண்ணுவாங்க. Okay, so the option A, small part of the fallopian tube is removed or tied up. Option A is the correct answer. Then which of the following is a hormone releasing IUD? LNG 20. Okay, option B. One of the following is not a method of contraception. Which one கேட்டிருக்காங்க? So இதுல மத்த ஆப்ஷன்ஸ்லாம் பாருங்க. Condoms, lips loop, tubectomy, இது மூணுமே it's a method of contraception. Whereas pills of a combination of oxytocin and vasopressin, it is not a method of contraception. Option B is the correct answer. Students, this is about the NEET previous year questions from population stabilization and birth control. இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு யூஸ்ஃபுல்லா இருந்தா kindly subscribe my channel. இந்த வீடியோ பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் பண்ணுங்க, கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க. Thank you.